Things they don't tell you about Chihuahuas. Male Chihuahuas are very affectionate, very affectionate. And they follow you everywhere. And they get super excited. Right, Chico? Yeah. Look at him. And he is, sweetheart. He is a sweetheart. I thought that Chihuahuas were yappy little dogs. I was so wrong. They only yappy to strangers. And I think they're cute now. Initially, I thought they were, well, not pretty, not handsome. But he's handsome. Right, Chico? Say hi. Love you too, Chico. Love you too. Don't show him your stuff, boy.